My name is Jenny Omonabike. I want to start by explaining the main parts of a visual machine and then share how businesses can use this technology. A virtual machine or VM is basically a software version of a physical computer. At the core, there are few important components. First, there is the hypervisor. This is the software layer that creates and manages the VMs. It lets you run multiple virtual machine or one physical server, dividing up resources like the CPU and memory. Then each VM has its own guest operating system, which is like the OS you run on a real computer. The VM also includes virtual hardware, things like virtual CPUs, hard drives, and network cards that the guest OS uses to run just like it would on physical hardware. The last piece is the virtual machine monitor, which keeps an eye on the guest OS and manages how it interacts with the physical machine through the hypervisor. Now, from a business point of view, virtualization can add a lot of value. For one, it helps improve how efficiently hardware is used. Instead of buying a physical server for every application, companies can run several VMs on one machine, which saves money on equipment and maintenance. For example, a company might set up separate VMs for development, testing, and production environments, all on the same physical server, which make things more flexible and cost effective. Virtualization also makes disaster recovering easier because VMs are just files. You can back them up, move them around, and restore them quickly if something goes wrong. So, if there is a hardware failure, you can spin up the VM on another machine fast, reducing downtime. Another big advantage is scalability. Businesses can quickly create new VMs when they need to handle more workload and then shut them down when demand slows. This is really helpful for companies that have changing or seasonal needs, like an online store during holiday sales. Finally, virtualization provides better security isolation since each VM is separated from the others. If one VM gets compromised, it doesn't usually affect the rest, which is important for running different applications safely. So, by using virtual machines, businesses can save costs, increase flexibility, improve recovery, and keep their system secure. Thank you.